Yeah. Simula na naman.
Mag-awarding tayo to recognize the effort ng lahat ng mga agents and leaders natin. Sabi nila, pero ang challenge namin sa'yo, Shornash, gawin natin kakaiba yung recognition natin this year.
Sige lang, sige, sige lang, sige. Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang, sige.
I'd like to welcome you officially to today's mid-year recognition of Alexandra 2 District. Enjoy the rest of the evening and I'm sure marami pa kayong ma-enjoy ngayong gabi.
Every day I'ma walk through the fire, burn it down just to get a little higher. If I told you it was easy, I'm a liar. Yeah, I could be your adrenaline supplier, make your heart feel every desire. Bloodline got bite like a spider. This is the moment we become giants, rattle the cages, never be silent. We got our reasons for starting a riot. This is the moment, right here, right now. Let's go and get it right now.
So what the leaders, what the BMs really wanted to achieve is that to gather everyone, diba? Eh malaman natin na ito yung tribo natin. No, tribo ng Alexandra 2 District, isang tribo na palaban kahit anong mangyari this 2024.
If you got a problem, I can be a cipher. I can hit it from a mile like a sniper. Hey, I'm sorry if I get a little hyper. Magic like abracadabra, moving so quick I just pass. Yeah, stacking up gold in my bag. Yeah, taking the win like a champ. Yeah, this is the moment we become giants, rattle the cages, never be silent. We got our reasons for starting a riot. This is the moment, right here, right now. Let's go and get it right now. Making a move right now. Right here, right now. Let's go and get it right now. Making a move right now. Right now.
Ang title natin for this event is Isang Lahi, Isang Lipi. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung katabi ninyo. Mga B, di ba? Lahi ng mga achievers. Lahi ng mga successful advisors. Lahi ng magaganda at gwapo. Ang kailangan natin gawin ngayon, paramihin pa ang lahi.